In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a resume on Google Docs in Google Drive. If you want a clean professional resume without wrestling with formatting, using Google's built-in templates is a fast, reliable way to get there. Everything happens in your browser, your work saves automatically, and you can update it anytime. Start by heading to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not already signed in, sign in so you can create and save your document. Once you're on the Drive homepage, look toward the top left corner and find the New button. This is your starting point for creating files and folders. Click New to open the creation menu. From here, choose Google Docs. This tells Drive you want to create a document. Instead of opening a blank page, we'll use a template to speed things up and keep the formatting polished. In the Google Docs options, select from a template. That opens the template gallery, where Google groups ready-made designs for different purposes. In the gallery, find the section for resumes. You'll see several styles, each with its own look and layout. Pick the one that fits your industry and personality. Something clean and easy to read usually works best. Don't worry about the placeholder text you see. It's there to guide you. Once you click the design you like, Google Docs will open a copy just for you. Now it's time to edit your information. Replace the placeholder name and contact details with your own. Keep your contact section simple and up to date. Move down to the summary or objective and write a short, focused statement about who you are and what you bring to the role. In the experience section, update job titles, companies, locations, and dates. Describe your achievements with clear, action-oriented sentences, and whenever possible, include results or numbers to show impact. Keep the formatting consistent with the template. Use the same fonts, headings, and spacing to maintain a professional look. Update education, skills, and any additional sections that make sense for your background. If a section isn't relevant, you can remove the placeholder text, but try to keep the layout balanced and easy to scan. As you make changes, your document saves automatically in Drive, so you won't lose your progress. Give everything a careful proofread. Check alignment and spacing, and make sure your most important information stands out near the top. And that's it. You've created a polished resume in Google Docs, starting right from Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your resume ready.